Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Chief from Dogman. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw a circle for the head. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. In the center, let's draw another circle for the nose. And then a wavy line out on both sides. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two long skinny ovals. And color them both in black. Now top down under the nose and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a line across. And then a curve underneath. Now top inside the mouth and let's draw a line across near the top. And then add some stripes for the teeth. Then color the bottom section of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop to the top and draw the hat. Let's start with two lines up. And a line across at the top. Now on the right side, let's add the brim of the hat by curving it out and back in. And then inside the hat, let's draw the word Chief. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Let's start with two angles down and out underneath the head. Now before we finish drawing the body here, let's add the arms. Let's start by drawing an angle down and out on both sides. And then another angle underneath. Now let's bring it back in and curve it out for the first finger. And then another finger underneath. And then for the last finger, let's curve it out and bring it all the way back up. And then add a curve inside each of the arms. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back in and let's continue drawing the body. Let's continue the body line by angling it out underneath each of the hands. And then a line across at the bottom. Now let's move inside and let's draw a large U-shaped curve. And let's angle it down from the top of each side. And then a V-shaped point up in the center. And that's it for the shirt. Now let's move down and let's draw the legs. Let's draw two angles down on the left and two on the right. Now let's add two large ovals for the feet. And that's it for Chief. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!